All right, we're rolling. I gotta make sure we're good. Yeah, buddy. All right, we have to go cut some trees down in the tree line for Mom, because if you guys don't know, we live on a horse farm, so we gotta get the old machines gassed up, ready to rip. I have a Stihl MS 400, West Coast saw modified, got massive dogs. They cannot see me, they're looking at my wiener. Bark box, massive dogs, West Coast saw, baby. Here we go. Non-sponsored, by the way, I wish, but someday. You got yours gassed up, Peter?
Yeah.
All right. Did you guys see that? I almost just put that inside there. That is so dumb. Well, welcome to the, let's call it a vlog. Welcome to the vlog today, fellas.
We're just vlogging.
We're going to cut some trees down a tree line for Mom, because if you guys don't know, we live on a horse farm, and we like to live on, or ride on trails. So, I'm not a huge rider myself. As you guys know, I like to hunt, fish, do all that. So, but I am the community groundskeeper pretty much. So, man, I hope I don't spill this, because that would suck. Pete, what you running? Show us what you're running.
Stihl MS
Hold it up.
170.
MS 170. Ooh.
Yeah, running.
Where'd you get that from?
I got it from my papa. He passed away, and then he passed it down to me before he passed.
Yep.
So, it's kind of sentimental.
Very sentimental. So, hang around and you'll find out. You know what I mean? So.
Like and subscribe, and then you'll see.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe. Hey, guess what, fellas? We're doing our first giveaway. Looky there. Giveaway knife, HEC custom. It'll have a brass guard, brass end plate, and it'll be owner's initials engraved in gold. So.
Wait, can I have them, Can I like and subscribe and read?
No, you're part of the YouTube thing. So, enter, well, I guess you can't enter yet, but subscribe, and then we'll pick a random subscriber at the end of turkey season, and then you could potentially win this knife. And special thanks to Sunrays Archery, because they are giving us a $50 gift card to give to one of you guys. So, without further ado, let's go cut some trees.
Let's load up the hogs.
Load up the hogs, baby. All right, let's roll. Peter, don't run over that thing. Oh, that's nasty. All right, we're rolling out. Jeez, boy. Flying around them turns. And a wet hole. Yo. Yeah. This is the tree line right up here. We gotta clear out. We have our trail down there. All right, here we go. right. Well, we're pretty much done here. Got the trail back and cleared. So now they can keep running their horses through here. Alright, there we go. Well, load everything back up, and that'll be the end of the video. So, thank you guys for joining us. Good work, Pete. We'll catch you all on the next one.